Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Lethabo Mampana and I'm back again with another YouTube video. If it's your first time up in this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can become part of the family. If you already subscribed to my YouTube channel, shout out to you. You and I are buddies. Hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm so that this video can be spread out to other people in recommendation. Then they can get to enjoy the good content that comes with this video. So guys, today is Tuesday. I'm recording this intro on a Tuesday. I couldn't do so yesterday on a Monday because I was quite busy. So this is week 3, episode 3 of turning $5 into $100,000. Like I always say, I'm still not sure if it's possible to get to the top, but I will try and I will be positive. And with a positive mindset, I believe that I will get there. So I've been trading gold. So yesterday, as you saw, or rather I will just show you the videos of yesterday, or rather the video of yesterday, because I think I only shot one video and that was just an update of what exactly happened after taking certain trades on gold. So I've been trading gold and I wasn't trading it the right way during my first episode as well as second episode. So on this third episode, I will try and do things professionally so that I can comfortably or I can confidently say to myself that I am a professional forex trader, because I can't say I'm a professional forex trader where else I'm trading the way I traded in my previous 2 videos or 2 episodes, so I will try and do things the right way this time, so that if you are willing to do this, you can just be inspired and follow along with me. So what I actually wanted to tell you guys about is that I will try and analyze like the way I used to in my previous videos, or rather in my previous challenge of growing $10 to $1,000. So I will do everything according to the plan, or I will do everything accordingly professionally. So my videos are gonna be long because of that, but if it's what you want to see, then I will definitely give to you guys. And my aim is just to get to only $200 or even $100. Then I will withdraw the money and buy a funded account or funded challenge. Then from there, that's where our dream of taking the money to $100, I mean $200,000 will actually come to play. So without any further ado, let me just show you when I analyze, or let me just firstly show you the video of yesterday. Then you will basically see everything in terms of me analyzing and taking the trades according to my analysis. But there are some strategies that I will not actually show you guys in this video because of my personal reasons. They are not yet or rather I'm not there yet with those strategies for me to share them. So I'm still actually forward testing those strategies because I've been back testing them, and they're working quite fine, and now I'm forward testing. So I will try my best to actually follow my plan, and also I will try my best to journal my trades and see where I have gone wrong and where I can actually improve. So without any further waste of time, let's get right into the video, and may the market be with us. Cheers. Yo, what up guys? um I took a trade. Actually, I took trades on gold, and let me show you how they went. And before that, let me just show you the reason why I took that trade. So this time I didn't take the trades because of just taking the trade, or rather for the sake of taking those trades. I actually analyzed, and yeah, so I traded, and let me show you. So let me just quickly go to my MetaTrader 5. Okay, what's going on? So I'm currently on my MetaTrader 5. So as you can see, the balance is $13. So this is pretty obvious that I made some money because my balance was only $5.57. But before I can even show you exactly how much I made, let me just quickly show you why I took the trade to begin with. So starting from daily time frame. So when I woke up, I actually realized that this market is going to the downside for the day, as you can see with that red candle there. So I thought to myself, okay, now let me just go to 4 hour time frame and let me see how it has been going to the downside. Was it going to the downside in a series of lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, or it just went straight to the downside, or what? So that's what I wanted to see. So then I went to 4 hour time frame. Then when I got here, I saw that it was just straight line to the downside. So then I said to myself that I'm going to go to 1 hour time frame, and on 1 hour time frame, what I want to see is I want to see some sort of an order block. So price can't just go to the downside straight. So it has to stop for a while before it can continue. So that's what I wanted to see on hourly time frame. Then that's when I head to hourly time frame. Then when I got to hourly time frame, this is what I saw. This is the candlestick that I saw. As you can see, look at the current candle, the second candle, the green candle, the red candle, and the green candle. So this is where I got the market when the red candle was starting. Right. Then what I told myself is I wanted to see an engulfing to the downside before I can enter the market, because now the market made some stop. As you can see, if you can just have a look at what's happening here. So price was going to the downside, it made a stop, it went to the downside, it made a stop, it went to the downside with engulfings. Then it continued going to the downside. Then with this candle here, it went to the upside, it made a stop, then it engulfed to the downside, then it continued going to the upside, so I mean to the downside. So this is exactly what I wanted to see on hourly time frame. So now that we have an engulfing, then price went to the downside. Then when I came in here, I saw that price had made a stop and now is trading to the downside, but I wanted to firstly have an engulfing to the downside before I can even consider taking a trade. So then the engulfing happened here around this green candle here. So this is the engulfing to the downside, and that's where I took my trade, and my stop loss was at this lower low here before price could come and print the new lower low that is currently where it is at the moment. So this is how I took this trade, and I would like to believe that it is very explainable and you can also relate and you can also understand why I took the trade. So let me just go ahead and show you how much I made off of this trade. I actually took two trades. First time I took a trade and I just closed it accidentally, then I went in again. So let me just show you. As you can see, so our balance is $13 and our total profit for the day is $7.59, and we were charged 16 cents, meaning that we were charged only 8 cents per trade. Let me see. Yes, 8 cents per trade. And now our overall balance for the day, which is a profit, is $7.43. So this is how much we made, and we hit a take profit of $7.01 on the second trade that I executed. So this one, the first one, I executed it, but unfortunately I closed it accidentally, then I had to take another one. So yeah, this is how much we made, and this is how much we are currently sitting at. So we're currently sitting at $13, and I would like to believe that we're done for the day, unless if there is an opportunity on other pairs that I'm still eyeing. Then I will just give you a scenario of how everything goes and what is it that I'm looking at. So for now, it is a goodbye. Cheers. Okay guys, so let's just begin with gold. So this is the analysis that I'm doing on gold, and as you can see, I actually did some analysis yesterday night, and this is how it was looking and this is how it's looking. So as you can see there, we had an engulfing to the downside, and I annotated it with a trend line there, up there. So as you can see, let me just highlight it here. I annotated it with this trend line there, and this is to show that we had engulfed that candle with the downgoing candle. So this candle engulfed this other candle, this bullish candle. So now I thought to myself, now that we have an engulfing to the downside, this means that gold will be, or will start selling further to a certain point. So right now, and also by the look of things, it is currently on an upside though, and as you can see, even the moving averages are confirming that to me, that this is on an uptrend. But we had an engulfing to the downside, meaning that we have opportunities to go to the downside to a certain level. So by looking at this thing here, we are currently trading within the daily order block here on gold. So as you can see, so it might not be ideal for us to sell right now because we are currently inside a demand of 1 hour time, on daily time frame here on gold. So it might not be ideal to sell. We have to wait for some reaction in order for us to take action, either to buy or to sell. But yesterday, what I told myself before price could tap into this order block here, I said that should I see price removing this level here, because when I went to 4 hour time frame, this is how it looks. On 4 hour time frame, when I'm following price action, you will see that, let's just begin here. You will see that here, this is a low, and we will use this as our, or rather, let's use this as our high, and this is our higher low, our higher high, then higher low. Then we failed to put in a new higher high here. Then now we have a lower high, and now I said to myself, since this is our previous higher low, I want to see this level broken in order for me to consider selling this market to the downside with it. So now I waited and waited, and only to find out today that the market has broken below and is now trading inside the daily time frame order block. So now what I want to see happening from now is I want to see price rejecting a bit to the upside, at least maybe into this order block that you are looking at here. So into this order block that you're looking at. So should I see the market retrace back into that, then I will see the reaction from there, then to take it to the downside with it. And another thing that I want to see happening is I want to see these moving averages cross. So should they cross, then I will certainly, or I will be certain that this market is now going to sell. So now let's go to 1 hour time frame and let me show you what is happening there. So if I am going to sell, I will wait for price to come to this order block here. I will definitely wait for price to tap into this order block before I can react from this market. So if the price does come into this order block, then I will definitely sell upon engulfing. So if it doesn't engulf after tapping into this, then I'm not going to take any trade. So for now on gold, I'm on the sideline and I'm waiting to see what will happen. And another thing is, last time when I checked on Forex Factory, is that there were going to be news today on USD. Let me just confirm. I think it was at 3, but let me just filter and let me confirm. So maybe those news will boost the price action on gold and other USD pairs. So as you can see there, at 15 minutes to 4 today, there will be some news. You see there will be some news on USD, and which is flash manufacturing PMI and flash services PMI. So that's what we will be looking forward to in order for this market to move to the upside or to further to the downside. So we will see the reaction from there. So like I said, I have some other strategies that I cannot reveal at the moment because I'm still forward testing, and once I am certain that these strategies does work, I will share them with you for free. So we are done for now with gold. So now let's just continue and check GBP USD as well as GBP NZD, because they also do have potential. So GBP USD, as you can see, I have already annotated the order block there. So with GBP USD, there's no need for us to start from daily time frame, because we can clearly see that the market has been selling on GBP USD, and also we have a cross upon the moving averages, meaning that now we are going to the downside, and we had engulfed here. To the downside, so we are going to ride it to the downside with it. So now let's go to 4-hour time frame and let's see. So as you can see, on 4-hour time frame, price went to the downside, it broke some certain levels, and now it's retesting the moving averages of 24, and now it tapped into this order block here. And then now when we go to hourly time frame, you will see that it tapped into this order block, and now we're waiting for engulfing to happen here. So once we get our engulfing to the downside, then I'm going to take the trade without any hesitation. And we are only left with 2 minutes in order for this to engulf, but we shall see what is happening. So now let's quickly move to GBP NZD. GBP NZD also it's like GBP USD. As you can see, we are only waiting for engulfing to happen. Let's see if we did have engulfing to the downside here on GBP NZD. Yes, indeed, we did have that engulfing to the downside, and here we had it, and now it's retracing. So on 4-hour time frame, what's happening? Let's just quickly see. As you can see, now the moving averages had just crossed, and now price is going to test those levels, or rather those moving averages. Then I am more to the downside with this currency pair. So I'm just going to leave everything here right now. The only thing that I'm looking for, or that I'm waiting for right now, is for these markets to engulf to the downside. So GBP USD, I want to see an engulfing to the downside before I can take a trade. GBP NZD, I want to see an engulfing to the downside before I can take a trade. At the moment, it hasn't engulfed as yet, so maybe the second candle might engulf this bullish candlestick. So then on gold, I want to see price retracing to the upside to a certain order block before I can take a sell. And also, even if it does reject to a certain order block, I will still have to wait to see an engulfing happening. So if there isn't any engulfing happening there, then I'm not going to take any trade from gold. So this is basically how everything is going at the moment for today, Tuesday. So let me just leave everything here. I will keep you guys updated with everything that I'm doing on my MetaTrader 5, because as far as analysis is concerned, this is how everything is going, and I'm pretty sure that now you are clear that I'm showing you this part, and I'm now trading professionally. And I'm also glad that I'm doing that, even though it takes time, but we shall get there, even though we take baby steps. At the end of the day, progress is still progress. Cheers. All right, guys. So on GBP USD, what I forgot to do while I was still analyzing in front of you guys is I didn't actually go to 15 minutes time frame, but I just did now, and it shows that we have an engulfing that happened on 15 minutes time frame. So I'm just going to quickly take a trade based off of that, and I will place my stop losses and take profits accordingly. So let me just go ahead and take the trade in front of you here on my MetaTrader 5. So as you can see, the balance is still sitting at $13. I didn't do anything since yesterday after reaching the target. And yeah, so I do not specifically have a target today, but if minimum I can get $5 today, then maximum $10, I will be good. So anything above $10, I will not enter the trade again if I'm at $10. So minimum I need to see $5 today. So let's just go ahead and trade GBP USD, because it had engulfed on 15 minutes time frame. So here is the engulfing that I'm talking about. As you can see there, there is an engulfing, and now it's retracing back to that level, and that's exactly my cue to enter the market. So I'm just going to sell. So I have sold with lot size 0.01, and this is how it's currently looking, and we are charged only 4 cents on this trade. So I'm just going to put my stop levels accordingly. Let me just see where I can put my stop losses. So it will be 33 pips, and that will be about $3.33 loss. Let me just modify. So never mind the noise outside. I'm in the villages, as you know. So my stop loss will be at 23965, and my take profit, let me just quickly check. So my take profit will be 62 pips, and which my profit overall will be $6.27, I think, according to trading view that I'm looking at the moment. But we shall see here on MetaTrader 5 how much we're going to make. So it's 23,005. So yeah, let's modify. So this is it. Here we have it. Let me go to hourly time frame and let's see. Oh, the stop loss look quite big, but yeah, so it's about $3.41, and our take profit is $6.19. So yeah, we're just gonna keep on holding and we hope for the best. Yeah, so this is where I'm leaving everything. I will keep you posted with everything that is happening. Any update that comes, I will definitely give it to you guys, and I will keep you in the loop. So it's just for now. Alright guys, just a quick update. We are currently floating in profit on GBP USD, which is the trade that I took just in front of you guys. So this is how far it is going. It's currently in profit, as you can see. It was at about $1.63, but now it's at $1.44, and yeah. So I'm also eyeing gold, and it looks pretty much good. I wanted to take a buy on it, and it has flew actually, and yo, could have made money, but yeah, let me just stick to my plan, and I'm waiting to sell if there is an opportunity to sell. But then overall direction is a buy on a higher time frame on gold. So we shall see what's happening after the news. We will see. So this is how we're currently sitting at GBP USD. We are running in profit of $1 couple of cents, and this is how it's looking on the charts. So everything is pretty much still the same, and yeah, so I'm going to leave it here, and I will keep you guys posted. Cheers. Guys, we are about to hit stop loss on GBP USD, so let's just head to the market and see when we hit the stop loss. So this is the chart. Oops, we already hit that stop loss, and damn, we lost, and I took a buy trade on gold, and this is where it's currently at, and it's also not looking good because let me just go to it and let me show you. So this is how it's looking, and I'm expecting to get out at $11. So that'll be about how much? That'll be about $7 profit if we do hit the take profit. Or how much? $8. Yeah, $8. So yeah, we will see how it plays out. So it hasn't been good, but we remain hopeful and positive. So we took an L from that GBP USD, and I'm not regretful about it because I followed my analysis basically. So it is what it is. Cheers. Alright, just a quick one, guys. So we're currently floating in profit of about $5 something last time I checked. Let me just show you if it's, or let me just check if it's still there. So it's currently $4 something, $3, but you know the market don't just shoot straight up. It retraces a lot, but yeah, so this is the current running profit that I'm currently holding, and I'm just hoping that it hits my take profit so that we can be out of the market, and so I can be able to focus on other things, because I'm busy with other things at the moment. So I'm just hopeful that it hits our and take profit so that we can reach our minimum target of the day. And also I hope that it hits take profit before the news. Yeah, so I will keep you posted with whatever that happens. Cheers. Yo guys, we are close to hitting our take profit, so let's just head to the market and see when we are hitting it, or let me show you when I'm closing, when if I decide to close. So we are currently floating $9 and it was in $10. So let's see if we're gonna hit our take profit, which should be about $11.44. So let's see, or should I close at $10? I don't know. So this is how much we are currently floating, and equity is running at $19. It's now 18.19, 18.19. We shall see. I actually wanted to document it while hitting take profit, but unfortunately it's not doing the things. Let's go. Let's see. Come on now, let's go. Okay guys, I'm just gonna close it at $10. Just gonna close it at $10, and we will leave it for today. Okay, it's now doing its own thing there. Let me just close it. And we are currently at $19. I wanted it to be at $20, but it is what it is. I just couldn't hold any longer, so I'm just waiting for it to go to the upside, and let's just see how the market reacts after the news. Then we will see, but I don't think I will trade, because if I do, I might lose all the profits that I made today, because I actually reached my minimum target, which is $5. Let me just see if I reached my minimum target. I actually did, so I made about $6. Maximum target is $10, and I'm not gonna chase it, so I'm just gonna leave it where it is at the moment. Or if I do happen to get into the trade, I will only aim for $1 just to make it $20. But ideally, I would like to step away from the market, and I will see it again tomorrow. So we will see how everything goes. So it's a good buy for now, for today, which is Tuesday, the 23rd of April 2024. Cheers, buddies. Okay, guys, one last update on the markets. Just after the news were published, I saw that gold is now buying, and I just wanted to make $20 because I was sitting on $19. So I went in after the news, after seeing that it is buying, and I went in with a buy, and I made only $1. Like I said, that if I'm going to get into this market, I will only target $1 to make it $20 because I was on $19. So I'm currently sitting at $20.06, and that's where I'm going to leave it for today, Tuesday, the 23rd of April 2024, and I'm not going to take any trades again. So I would leave it here. Our balance is currently sitting at $20.06, and we have made in total $7.30, and our net profit is $7.06. So this is everything that I've done today, and this will be a good buy for now. Cheers. Okay, guys, so change of plans. So we are having some change of plans, and as you've just saw right now, I'm leaving the account on $20.06, I think. Then I'm just going to quickly withdraw this money, then start with a new broker. So this is why. So I've been checking and doing some researches on good brokers. Not to say that IC Market isn't a good broker, and not to say if FIBO Group isn't a good broker, but this is what I have actually found out. I found out that compared to when I compare IC Market with this broker that I will reveal just now, is that when I compare them, I saw that the commission differs a lot. So because I'm the type of guy that trades gold a lot, on IC Markets, when I place a trade of 0.01 lot size, then they will charge me, or they charge me $8, I mean 8 cents in dollars for commission. So this kind of broker that I'm going to reveal in just a minute, when I place a trade on gold, they only charge me 6 cents, which is a good deal. So based off of that, and not only that, I'm going to be switching brokers from IC Market to this broker here. As you can see, this is the broker that I will be using, and reason why I'm using this broker and not FIBO Group this time is because of this. So you see, with FIBO Group, actually, the only way you can trade $10, a $10 account, is that you need to open a cents account. So with this broker, it's easy that you can just deposit your $10, and everything will just go smooth, and you will start trading gold like I used to trade it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna withdraw the money, and I will deposit it into this broker, which is Do Prime. So that's where I will deposit my money. And if you would like to join me on this one, you can just simply hit the link in the description down below. And what I will do is, this is limited to only 10 people. What I will do is, once you open your account using that link, I will deposit $10 into your trading account. Then we will start trading next week together. So we're going to take it to $100,000 together. So all you need to do is press on the link in the description down below, open an account, verify your documents, send me a WhatsApp on my WhatsApp number, and my numbers are shown at the beginning of this video on the screen there. Then hit me up on that WhatsApp number once everything is verified, and you need to open MT4 ECN. I will just, not MT4, even if it's MT5, any account type, but it has to be, I mean, you can trade with any platform, either MT4 or MT5, but then it has to be an ECN account in order for me to send you that $10. So I will just basically hop into my laptop screen and show you while I'm opening a first account. Then I will deposit once I have received my withdrawal. Then from there, you will see how everything needs to be done. So you have to do the same. Hit the link in the description down below, open an account, then hit me up on my WhatsApp, tell me that you opened an account and also you have verified your document. Then I will deposit $10 into your account, and it's only limited to 10 people. So first come first serve, so you better take the chance while you still have it. So for now, let's just hit right to my laptop screen and let me show you while I'm opening an account, and let me show you the interface of this new broker called Do Prime. And if you would like to join me on this journey, then you can just open an account, let me know, verify everything, let me know, then I will deposit that $10 into your account, then we can trade together. So without any further ado, let's hop right into my laptop screen and let me show you while I'm doing everything. Cheers. Okay, so this is how it's looking on Do Prime. So once you logged in, this is the home page, this is the dashboard, this is the interface, this is how it looks. So I already opened an account which is MT5 demo ECN account, which I wanted to actually try and see how everything goes. So I traded the way I wanted it to trade it, and I tested it the way I wanted to test it, and everything worked out really fine. So this is why I actually changed to this broker, or rather this is why I want to change to this broker. So you're going to hit the link in the description, then you're gonna it will take you to a page where you need to open an account or register. Then you register using your names, your credentials, everything. Then you also upload your documents. You verify your FICA documents. Then once everything is done and it's FICA, you can just come here while you are registered. Then you're going to log in and it will take you to this kind of page. Then from there, what you will need to do is you will need to open an account. So this will be a live account. So then you're going to press on open live account, and it will take you to another page which it looks something like this. Pardon, my network is a bit slow, so please bear with me. So this is where you're going to select. So where it says type, you're going to select your account type. So what I'm going to select for this challenge is I'm going to select account type of MT5 ECN account. So this is what I'm going to take. Then my leverage, let me see, I'm going to put the highest leverage there. As you can see, this is the best thing about this broker. It also gives you the highest leverage that you would like to trade with or trade using. So then now this is the currency, and unfortunately for ECN account, it only gives you account currency of USD. So this is what I will be taking, and now I'm going to hit continue. So this is what you will need to do in order for you to receive that $10 from me. Then this is how it will look. Then this is just to confirm that you open an account type of MT5 ECN account, and its leverage is 1:1000 leverage, and the currency of that account is USD. Then you're gonna hit continue. Then boom, you have opened that account, and now it will give you these credentials there. And yeah, I'm not going to blare anything because I'm trading in front of you and I will be trading with you guys. Then you're going to take these credentials. This is your password, this is your investor password, and this is the login account, and also this is the server that you need to use. So what will happen then is you will take these credentials and put it on your MetaTrader 5. Then from there you can start trading, and rather once everything is done like this, you can just hit me up and I will top your account up with $10, and it's only limited to 10 people. Do not forget that. First come first serve, so you better use the chance while you still have it. So I think this is it from me, and yeah, this is how I'm going to end episode 4 of turning $5 into $100,000. So this is how I'm ending it. And yeah, I think no, it's not episode 4 but episode 3, I would like to believe. Then just follow me on the journey, and let's enjoy this together. So it is goodbye for now. It has been your boy Lethabo Mampana, and I'm out. Peace.